हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू सुप्रीम स्टेनो क्लासेस। गाइज, कल मैंने एक डिक्टेशन दिया था आपको जो कि रांची हाई कोर्ट पीएस के लिए एग्जामिनेशन के लिए प्रिपेयर किया था। आज उसी डिक्टेशन का सेकंड पार्ट दे रहा हूं। 5 सेकेंड। Aggrieved by the dismissal of the suit, the plaintiff appealed to the district judge Vidisha MP. During the pendency of the said appeal, the plaintiff filed an application for permission to amend the plan to add an alternative prayer to the effect that in case the sale deed in favor of defendant number 1 was held to be validly executed, the plaintiff be given a decree for a specific performance by execution of a sale deed for the transfer of the suit property in his favor. This application was allowed by the trial court, but in revision the same was set aside and the amendment application directed to be considered along with the main appeal. The first appellate court accordingly heard the appeal and the application for amendment together, and by its judgment and order dated 19th July 1995 dismissed both. The first appellate court held that the prayer for amendment of the plaintiff to seek a decree for the transfer of the land in question in favor of the plaintiff's appellant was time barred, and that the amendment would in any case alter the nature of the suit. On the merits of the case, the first appellate court held that there was no stipulation in the sale deed that the land transferred thereby shall be retransferred to the vendor by executing a sale deed in his favor, insofar as agreement under bracket marked X D1 bracket close for retransfer of the land in question to the plaintiff was concerned. The first appellate court held that while the execution of the agreement was proved, there was no mention in the same about the sale deed in question being by way of security for repayment of any loan. Aggrieved by the judgment aforementioned, the plaintiff's appellant filed second appeal number 230 of 1995 before the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior branch. The High Court held that the dismissal of the application for amendment by the first appellate court on the ground that the prayer sought to be incorporated by the amendment was barred by limitation was not correct. All the same be proposed amendment would make no material difference unless the plaintiff also pleaded that he was ready to perform his part of the contract so as to entitle him to any relief based on the agreement executed between the parties. The dismissal of the application was on that ground upheld. On the merits of the case, the High Court took the view that whenever a sale deed was accompanied by a document for reconveyance of the property sold, the transaction between the parties would amount to a mortgage subject to the condition that the mortgage must get the property reconveyed within the period stipulated for that purpose. The High Court further held that there was no cogent evidence on record to prove that defendant number 1 was in possession of the suit land on the date of the filing of the suit, even in exercise D-2 relied upon by the defendant. The property was recorded jointly in the names of the plaintiff and defendant number 2 in the revenue records for the year 1980-81. The High Court on that basis held that the finding of the courts below that property was not held jointly by the plaintiff and defendant number 2 was reversed. The appeal was accordingly allowed in part and defendant number 1 restrained from interfering with the possessions of the plaintiff till such time he obtained a decree of partition from the revenue court concerned. The present appeal assails the above judgment and order of the High Court as noticed earlier. Raj Kishore, the plaintiff in the suit, having passed away during the pendency of his appeal, his legal representatives were brought on record on 5th November 2008. Decision: the Supreme Court held that there was no allegation of fraud, accident or surprise to call for intervention of equity so as to save the plaintiff's right of reconveyance of property against forfeiture. Stop. सो गाइज डिक्टेशन थी ऑलमोस्ट 100 WPM पे थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन. तो गाइज इसको अच्छे से आप लोग लिखिएगा, ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिएगा, अपनी एरर को मिलाइएगा और यदि आपको हमारे डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. धन्यवाद.